Why is Japan so wealthy? Japan has the third largest economy in the world, despite being a mountainous island nation with almost no oil or large-scale farmland. Over 120 million people live on land smaller than California, often hit by earthquakes and typhoons. Yet Japan became one of the richest countries on Earth. But how? After World War II, Japan was in ruins. Cities were bombed, industry destroyed, and millions were displaced. But instead of collapsing, Japan rebuilt at record speed. With American aid and sweeping reforms, the country transformed. Land was redistributed, breaking up old estates, and education created a literate, skilled workforce. By the 1950s, Japan launched its economic miracle. The government set priorities: steel, shipbuilding, cars, and electronics. Firms like Toyota, Honda, Sony, and Panasonic grew from workshops into global giants. At first, their products were cheap, but soon they were known for reliability and innovation. Culture fueled this rise. Japan emphasized discipline, teamwork, and long-term planning. Many firms offered lifetime employment, and workers in return dedicated themselves fully. This mix of loyalty and innovation made Japan a tough competitor abroad. Geography mattered too. With little farmland, Japan focused on industry and trade. Its ports linked it to Asia and the US, letting it import raw materials like oil and iron, then export high-value products. This import low, export high strategy became the backbone of its wealth. Technology pushed growth further. From the 1970s, Japan pioneered robotics, precision manufacturing, and consumer electronics. Bullet trains, VHS players, hybrid cars, and advanced machinery made Japanese brands global symbols of modernity. Japan's population is shrinking, its workforce is aging, and growth slowed after the 1990s lost decade. Yet it remains wealthy, stable, and innovative, with one of the highest living standards anywhere. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos and subscribe for more. Goodbye.